So the front gate of NTC, this is building 21, and building 20 and 21 are San Diego Bus. The front gate of NTC, you can see here it has a National Register of Historic Places plaque on it. NTC is a historic district. This building was built in 22, like I suspect a lot of these buildings were, because they're all the same architecture style. I believe this was a water fountain. We're not going to go by 20. It's basically a mirror of it, but you can see the pretty tile work and the other interesting architectural aspects that they did back in the 20s for military development. Most of NTC is in its original Spanish architecture. NTC, I couldn't give you a square mileage or anything like that. Here's the front-ish. I'm not going to get a good shot of this because it's really hard to cross the street here. I might be able to walk over that way. There's a sign there. I'm going to read that. I'm going to have to go over here to read it though. Still not catching the name of this street. This is what I remember about NTC. This was, the first place I entered. It's probably the first place most naval recruits entered. See what the sign has to say. It's a Liberty Station sign. It was put up by the Corky Macmillan Company on October 27, 1923. A crowd of 4,000 gathered for dedication ceremonies for the San Diego Navy Training Station. The American flag was raised for the first time as a chorus of the Star-Spangled Banner was sung by 100 local children. There were a handful of officers and trainees, but over the next 74 years, 1.75 million sailors would receive training here, having a profound effect on every aspect of San Diego life and time. Not to mention an enormous impact on virtually every part of the world. In 1993, the Naval Training Center was closed and the federal government's base realignment and closure program, transferring 550 acres, including 95 acres and 52 buildings on the National Register of Historic Places, to the city of San Diego. Years of planning and hundreds of public meetings culminated in a portion of NTC becoming what is now known as Liberty Station. Bring together a vision for the present and future and the lore of a storied military past, Liberty Station is a joint collaboration between the City of San Diego Redevelopment Agency and the Corky Macmillan Companies. Liberty Station is an engaging 361-acre urban village, a scenic and Spanish colonial revival architectural masterpiece with museums and galleries, a 46-acre waterfront park, shops and restaurants, a 9-hole golf course, a business center, hotels, and a residential district and state-of-the-art schools. It doesn't mention the military housing down on the other end. You are invited to be a part of this remarkable old and new place. Liberty Station, a project of the Corky Macmillan Company and the City of San Diego Redevelopment Agency. Here's the sign if you want to read it yourself. There, now it's straight. I'm going to go across the street and try to get a better shot of the front gates, because like I said, it's the first thing I remember.